In this lecture, let us see how to solve 8 puzzle problem with heuristic. So here, the state of this 8 puzzle is represented with a 3 cross 3 grid, and the grid looks like this, which is numbered with. So here, these are nothing but cells. We have total 9 cells in a 3 cross 3 grid, and every cell holds one number, and the number will be from 1 to 8. So there will be one empty tile, right? That is a blank tile. So that blank tile is represented with an empty cell. For example, these are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here all cells are labeled with number, whereas there is one blank tile. So this is called as empty cell. And so these are some terms which we use in 8 puzzle problem. State space. State space means it always represents all possible states that a problem solving agent can encounter during the task. So that is the state space, initial state. So that we know, right? Initial state and goal state. So we need to apply various actions in order to move from one initial state to, or in order to reach our goal state from initial state. So here are the actions, which are nothing but the legal moves that we use in order to solve the puzzle. And transition modal, so it mainly defines so how the puzzle transitions from one state to another. So whenever we apply these actions, so how these transitions takes place. And goal test. So after performing a few set of actions, so we need to check whether we have reached the goal state or not. So for that, we need to match the current state of the puzzle with the goal state. So that checking will be done here in goal test. And these are few rules. So as I said you before, actions are nothing but the legal moves. So what are the legal moves that we use here? So we need to move the empty space one position at a time. So for in order to move the empty space, so have to move that. So we can use either of the 4 directions for moving, that is up, down, right, or left. So we can't move the empty space diagonally. We need to move them with the adjacent tiles. Let us see this example. See, first we have initial state and this is the goal state. So we need to apply various moves like up, down, right, and left in order to reach this goal state from initial state. So for that, so have to apply these moves. Here we'll take heuristic values in order to explore through the successors of this initial state. Okay, fine. So first take calculate heuristic value. So heuristic value is nothing but it is obtained here by finding out total number of misplaced tiles in the state. So here find out misplaced tiles. First compare every tile, each tile in initial state with each tile in goal state. So 1 and 1 same, they are in same position. 2, 3 are also in same position, whereas 4 is not in same position, right? It is misplaced. Whereas 6 is in right position. 7 is in right position. Whereas this 5 is not in right position and 8 is not in right position. So total number of misplaced tiles are 3. Okay. So now we'll take 3 possibilities. And now here we need to move the blank tile one position at a time, right? So first take this one. So what are the 3 possibilities here? First, you can move upwards, right? You can move like this, or you can move right side, or you can move downwards. You can move towards left side because there is nothing here. So take 3 cases. In the first case, we are moving this tile upwards so that 1 comes down. In the second case, move this tile downwards. So 7 is, so you'll be swapping the 7 in blank space. So this is downwards. And after that, you can move this blank tile towards right side. Yes. So now you can compare these states with goal state. So there is no match between either of the states with a goal state. So now again, you need to explore successors. So for that, you need to find out heuristic value for every state, intermediate state. So find out heuristic for this 2 and 2, they are in same position. 3 and 3, same position. 1 is not in same position, right? 4 is not in same position. 6 is in its right position. 7 in right position. 5 is misplaced. And 8 is also misplaced. So number of misplaced tiles are 4. Then come to this second one. So 1, 2, 3. Yes, 1, 2, 3, correct. 7 is misplaced. 4 is misplaced. 6 in right position. 5 is misplaced and 8 is misplaced. So heuristic value is 4. Next for the third one. 1, 2, 3. Yes, right position. 4, right position. 6, yes. 7, yes. 5 is misplaced and 8 is misplaced. So heuristic value is 2 for this one. So we have 4, 4 and 2 heuristic values. So always we need to choose the intermediate state which is having least heuristic value. So we need to explore this now. Okay. Now, what are the 4 possible moves here? So you can move this blank tile 1 position towards up. So you can move it up, right, down, left. In 4 positions you can move. So let us take all the 4 possibilities. So in the first case, we are moving this blank space down. So after that, 5 comes to the middle. And in the second case, so this is down. In the second case, we are moving this blank space towards right side. And in third case, we are moving this towards left side. So blank space is moved towards left side. And in the fourth case, we are moving this towards up. So after moving all after performing all the respective moves, now compare each intermediate state with a goal state. So there is no match with these states with a goal state. So what should we do now? Again, we need to find out heuristic value. So find out heuristic value for every state. So what is the heuristic value? Find out number of misplaced tiles in the state 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 tiles are in right position, whereas only 1 tile is is misplaced. So H value is equal to 1. Next, come to the second one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 is misplaced. Then 7 in right position, 5 is misplaced, 8 is misplaced. So what is heuristic value for this? H equal to 3. 3 misplaced tiles. In the third one, 1, 2, 3 right positions, 4 is misplaced, 6, 7 right positions, 5 and 8 are misplaced. So H value is equal to 3 again. And the last one, 1, 3, 4 are in right position, 2 is misplaced, 6, 7 in right position, 5, 8 are misplaced. So H value for this is 3. Done. So now you need to take the one which is having least heuristic score. So h equal to 1 is the least one. So now we need to explore this, explore successors of the state. Okay. So how many possibilities we have here? So the blank space is at the bottom. So you can move this blank space either towards up or left side or right side. Then why I considered only two possibilities? So let me take the third possibility also so that you'll get clarity. Third possibility. Okay. 1, 2, 3. So in the first case, we have moved this blank space towards right side. In the second case, we moved it towards left side. So here, in third possibility, it would be all obviously upwards. So this is a blank space, and 5 is moved downwards. This is 4, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. So if you observe this one, so this is similar to the previous intermediate state, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, blank 6, 7, 5, 8. So both of them are same. Already we explored successors of the state, right? So uh, why to consider the same one again? So this is not required. Okay, so you can just ignore this and go through these two states. Now for the first one, so when we moved this blank tile towards right side, and here it is towards left side. Now compare these tiles with the goal state. So 1, 2, 3, yes, 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, there is a match between this state and the goal state. So we consider that this as a final state, right? So this is the process. So this is how you need to solve 8 puzzle with heuristic.